Hello everyone, this is Janice and welcome back. I'm back in my kitchen once again because I have another cooking video that I would like to share with everyone. I will be making pumpkin muffins. This is a really simple recipe to make. If you love these pumpkin muffins, you came to the right video because I am going to explain to you on how to make these. There are several ingredients that you will need in order to make this recipe. First of all, you will need a cupcake pan. You will also need a bowl because you're going to mix all the ingredients. Then you will need 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, 2 eggs. You will also need these baking cups so you can put your batter in them before you put them into the oven. And you will also need a pumpkin bread and muffin baking mix. So basically this is a really quick recipe to make. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how they turn out. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to put the muffin baking mix into the bowl. Then you're going to add 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and you are going to add 2 eggs into your bowl. Once you have all the ingredients into your bowl, the next step is going to be mix all the ingredients all together. Make sure you get a smooth batter. So you really have to mix it really well. And in the meantime, while you're mixing the ingredients, you are going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then you're going to bake these pumpkin muffins for 20 to 22 minutes. I would start off with 20 minutes. Check the muffins in the oven with the toothpick. Make sure they're clear once you put the toothpick into the batter. If it comes out clear, then the muffins are ready to take out of the oven. If they're not ready, then you can just leave additional minutes. But you don't bake them no longer than 22 minutes in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 400. Okay, my oven is already preheated, and I will continue mixing in my batter until I get a smooth batter here, which I'm almost done. So once you have this all mixed in, your batter should look like this. Really nice and smooth, no lumps or anything. Okay, so then I get my cupcake pan, and then I will get these baking cups and I will start putting them onto my pan. Now if you don't have any of these baking cups, you can also grease them with some oil or some butter, but I think these would be the best thing to use for these cupcakes. And for these pumpkin muffins, I am going to put a different kind of topping on top of these pumpkin muffins. Usually a lot of people, they put cream cheese frosting on top of their pumpkin muffins, but then I'm going to add some sugar on top of my muffins once they're ready. But first of all, we're going to pour some of this batter into these baking cups. So So let me pour this into my measuring cup, and then I will be back. I'll show you how I pour them into my baking cups here. Okay. I am ready to pour my batter into these baking cups, and you can just pour a little bit here for about 2/3 full. You don't have to fill them up to the top, because usually these will rise once they're in the oven. So you just put a little bit just to fill it up, about 2/3 full. Okay, so now I have the batter into the cupcake cups. So now I just spread around a little bit with my spoon. And then this is another option. I'm not saying you would have to put sugar on top, but I prefer to put sugar on top of my batter here before I put them into the oven. Or other people like to put sugar once they're already made, but I like to put sugar beforehand. So I am going to sprinkle some sugar on top of this mixture here with a spoon. Just a little sprinkle here and there. Okay, so I have the mixture in the cupcake cups. I have my sugar in here already. So now my oven is going to be preheated here very soon, and I'm going to put them into the oven for 20 to 22 minutes, but I'm going to start with 20 minutes, and I'm going to check them first if they're not ready, and then I will add a couple of more minutes, and then I'll check it there. So I will see you back between 20 minutes to 22 minutes. I just removed these pumpkin muffins out of my oven, and it's been 20 to 22 minutes. So now actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my pumpkin muffins out of this pan, because we need to put them on another plate to cool off before you eat these. And once the cupcakes are already cooled off, you can have them with a cup of coffee, you can have them with a glass of milk, or just eat it by itself. And these pumpkin muffins are really delicious, and they're really healthy for you. So I would like to tell everyone that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do if you want to learn more about my channel, because I do a lot of cooking, you know, meals. I bake a lot of stuff, as you can see. Like today I made these delicious pumpkin muffins. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy watching my video. You can support me by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss a video. And I will see you guys next time, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Take care.